I am Murakami from the sales department. As the head of this division, I am responsible for a wide range of responsibilities, from formulating sales policies to managing the quality of fire-resistant lumber. We are also working on developing new products to ensure that fire-resistant lumber, which retains the benefits of natural wood while adding fire-resistant properties, can be used safely in more buildings. Our company specializes in natural wood, primarily domestic cedar and cypress, and handles a wide range of products including recycled construction materials. Fire-resistant lumber, in particular, has great value in that it allows natural wood which has previously been difficult to use in large-scale construction to be used safely and without restrictions. We believe we can bring the appeal of natural wood to more people. Meeting Japan's strict fire-resistant standards requires numerous processes including flame-retardant impregnation, kiln drying, and shaping, resulting in a lengthy production period of 2 to 3 months. Our greatest strength is our quality control with experienced technicians carefully assessing the condition of each piece during these processes. Not only the fire-resistant performance, what we value most is creating a beautiful and eye-catching interior design that rivals other building materials. We carefully assess the characteristics and craft each piece of natural wood. Japanese woods, such as cedar and cypress, have characteristics that are close to people, such as delicate grain, a soft feel, and a gentle fragrance. Our fire-resistant wood retains these natural wood qualities while adding fire-resistant properties. It is a product that is still rare worldwide, and we believe it is possible only with Japanese technology. Spaces made with wood have the warmth and soft feel that only natural materials can provide, and I feel that it is a material that has a strong affinity with people. It is compatible with places where people spend a lot of time and has the power to create comfort. Whether it be a home, hotel, office or commercial facility, I think it is a material that brings richness and gentleness to any space. Fire-resistant wood retains the warmth and texture of natural wood while meeting Japan's strictest fire safety standards. It can be safely used in crowded commercial facilities, hotels, offices, and other spaces, allowing the unique comfort of wood to be safely incorporated into spaces dominated by steel and concrete. I feel that we are able to provide new value to architecture in the form of safe, natural wood. We have continued to refine the quality of our products with the desire to share the quality and warmth of natural wood with as many people as possible. We hope to continue contributing to the creation of richer, more comfortable spaces for everyone through the creation of a variety of products utilizing natural wood, including fire-resistant lumber.